What are we doing today?
Unloading 2 cars out of a can.
And like, what are these cars, first of all? And where did they come from?
Ireland. One's a 2.516, which is a fairly rare car that's getting a restoration. And then the other one, he had a similar situation to me, whereas he wanted to do like a EVO version to his 2.5. But it's better to save that one, so he bought a second car, sent that one to us as well, that we're gonna get wild with.
Nice.
So this is it. We've officially gone global.
Pretty awesome. Yeah, it's not gonna scrape. Oh shoot, right-hand drive.
Yeah.
Sick. That's a car phone?
Yeah, man.
What the? That's actually pretty awesome.
Look at the rear buckets in the Cosworth.
What? It has rear bucket seats.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. Wow.
Yeah, this dog leg. That's so.
That's pretty. So that means reverse is like
Reverse
what,
is
to
up,
the left?
No,
Yeah.
dog leg is just down left for first gear.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
First one is out. Now
one's out.
time for the second one. So that's, I'm guessing that's the one that we're keeping mostly. We're just doing mild modifications.
The other one we're doing like the other one with the M113.
Oh, sick.
The Evo kit and all
Supercharged
that.
V8 and
yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be
because that
so
one in
cool.
there's just a regular 190. It's probably like a sport package car or something.
Yeah.
Not a 2.5 16 Cosworth. Put a sim in there. Fucking.
Put a sim in there.
It will actually work, man. It takes one of those like OG big sim.
Oh, the
cars.
big ones. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. Okay.
Oh damn, look at that steering wheel, dude.
Steering wheel stick. Manual transmit cars, probably fucking thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
The swap is like 5K.
Woo!
Unreal. The last trans I saw was 4,500 US.
Oh my gosh.
That's no pedal box, none of that other shit. Just a trans.
86,000 miles on the thing.
86,000 miles. That's freaking brand new.
The infamous 2.5.
Wow.
So clean.
Bosch battery. Look it up. Fire it up.
Oh, this one like runs and drives and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
And it's legit. It's on Irish plate, so I might take it for a rip today.
Yeah.
It needs to be clean though. It's all moldy inside.
Yeah, it's stinky.
Let me grab the booster. It's got no gas?
Yeah.
They probably had to drain it.
Yeah, for shipping.
Does that have oil? Fuck, we should check if it's got oil in it.
They wouldn't have to.
Huh?
No, that's oil. It's gas.
Well, it's a lot of money.
Knows it's a lot of money. What it's cost him to get him here is almost probably 50% of some people's budget.
Whoa.
So he's dedicated. This is a pretty iconic motor.
So what is this motor that we're looking at?
2.516, but it was developed by Cosworth for Mercedes.
Pretty awesome.
So the 2.3 actually said Cosworth on the motor. So it's,
Oh.
but there was some shortcomings, so Mercedes took it over and then up. Because the other one was straight up a race car engine, so they made it more streetable.
You know, this will go 200 miles an hour
Yeah,
all day,
yeah. But
non-stop.
off the line, that van will kick your ass. It's a different era.
Yeah.
Like this thing, I have one of these, and it's probably the funnest car to drive at speed that I own.
Really?
Like you can do 170 in this thing all day and not even feel like it. Because this is Even Arden Senna claimed that this is one of the best performing chassis he's ever driven.
Oh shoot,
That's what made this car famous.
that's pretty amazing. High praise.
Very high praise.
So what are we doing to this one?
This one's getting a 55 motor, supercharged 55 motor, and EVO 1 kit, EVO 1 wing with an EVO 2 kit.
Sick.
So he's getting the kit off of my car. So the one that we're doing right now is going on this one.
Awesome. So this one is just going to be a restoration.
Restoration, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because he's in the similar situation that I was.
Mm-hmm.
Like these cars were like $10,000, $12,000 cars, like 5, 6, 7 years ago.
Now though.
Now they're to get a clean, nice one, they're like $45,000. They're even more expensive in Europe than they are in North America.
Crazy.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Does this one also run too or no?
Good, yeah.
I like this interior.
This is like the base one.
Yeah.
Look at this little thing on the door. Change your oil every 6,000 miles. Look at the little guy with the Mercedes logo.
And then nowadays, like every 15,000 miles. Like, why would that change?
That's why cars last longer back in the day.
Yeah.
All right, so we have both of our cars from Ireland. One of them, as you know, is a 2.516. The other one is a base model. And this particular customer wants my EVO 2 kit. So we're currently working on getting molds pulled off of that kit. We're actually started with the EVO 1 kit for another project, and then the EVO 2 kit will be following. So we hope to have it sometime in September. And then we'll have another video showing some of the mold making process and of all that coming together. So if you watch those videos, when you see that first kit come out, then it's time to buy one. But until then, just keep harassing me and we'll make sure we get it done. So before anybody gets all wild and upset at us for cutting up a 2.516, we're not actually doing that. This particular car is basically just getting a really mild restoration, a paint job. We're gonna fix a few broken little things. But the other car, we're gonna do the M113 supercharged V8 swap on it. Like I say, it's getting an EVO 2 body kit. Like actually the EVO body kit, so we won't call it EVO 2. And then the other car, which is a base model, like we say, we're gonna do the motor swap on it. It's getting the EVO 2 kit with the EVO 1 wing because he doesn't want it quite as wild. And then a whole bunch of interior pieces, and he's sort of giving us a bunch of creative freedom on that one, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. So there you go. If you wanna follow along, we're gonna document the whole process on this one. It's gonna be a lot of fun doing these two cars, and like, subscribe, watch the videos, and I should probably get back to work and get some parts ordered.